Hey there, it's great to see you're getting into woodworking. However, there's something important you need to know when it comes to safety: wearing a respirator. Woodworking can be a lot of fun, but it can also be hazardous to your health if you're not careful. Wood dust, which is created when you saw, sand, or cut wood, can be extremely harmful to your lungs and respiratory system. In fact, it's a known carcinogen, which means it can cause cancer. That's why wearing a respirator is so important. It's designed to protect you from breathing in harmful dust and other particles. By wearing a respirator, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing respiratory problems or even cancer. There are many different types of respirators available, but for woodworking, you'll want to choose one that's specifically designed for this purpose. Look for a respirator that's rated for woodworking and that has a high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filter. This will ensure that the respirator is effective at filtering out the fine dust particles that are most harmful to your lungs. When you're working with wood, be sure to put on your respirator before you start. You should also make sure that the filter is clean and in good condition before you start working. Remember, your health is important, and taking steps to protect yourself is essential. Wearing a respirator when you're working with wood is an easy way to stay safe and healthy while still enjoying your hobby. So, make sure to invest in a good quality respirator and wear it every time you work with wood. Your lungs will thank you.